Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about one of the cool features of the Mesclatore Solventless. And so what we have here is the agitator, and as you will notice, there are some notches on the shaft. And so it's a pneumatically powered lift, and the lift goes up and down. So how do you control your batch size with this agitator? So as you can see, there are different spots where you can actually place that agitator. And so what that does is sets the height at which you're going to be from the bottom. And so this allows you to customize your batch size. So you can raise it or lower it based on your batch size and the amount of water in your system, so you can get the quality or the throughput that you need. And that is one of the awesome features of the Mesclatore, that it allows versatility for whatever process you are trying to accomplish. And so to raise and lower the agitator, there are 3 little screws here, and so the whole agitator would just slide up. You'd screw it there, or you would slide it down, matter of minutes, to adjust the height. And again, you would adjust this based on the size of your batch.